Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be showing to you on how to draft the low-waisted skirt using your basic skirt foundation. So let's get started. First, you need to trace your front and back skirt patterns. Measure down from waist to the desired amount, for example 3 inches, and draw a line parallel to waist. So for this tutorial, gagamit tayo ng 3 inches from the waist down. And then, mag-draw ka lang ng parallel line using your French ruler. Remove 1/4 inch at side seam for closer fit. So mag-mark in ka lang ng 1/4 inch para mas kapit sa waist yung fit ng skirt natin. So that's 1/4 inch. Just a reminder, even if I'm using a half scale pattern here, the principle and the measurements that I'm mentioning here are the same kung gagawin mo sa actual pattern. So same procedure lang din ang gagawin natin for the back pattern. Mark nyo lang yung 3 inches from waist down. Then draw a parallel line using the French ruler. So, kung mapapansin nyo, may dart pa rin yung sa back natin after marking, no? So, yung opening or the dart intake dun sa new waistline, susukatin yon. Measure that dart intake and then ito transfer mo siya sa may side seam. So, ang nakuha nating measurement, imamark mo doon sa may side seam. And then, use your hip curve or curve ruler to mark the new side seam. After that, we can now cut our pattern. The low-waisted skirt hugs the hip below the waistline. The waistline can be lowered to any depth desired. So kung mas bet mo na mas mababa, pwede din. So next is we're gonna make facing instead of waistband. So sa front part natin or sa front pattern natin, mark 2.5 inches below the new waist. Again, 2.5 inches from the new waist. Yan yung gagamitin natin for the facing. So ititrace lang natin siya. So same with the back. 2.5 din from the new waistline. So ayan, tinitrace ko lang or kinokopya ko lang yung measurement na ginawa natin sa center front para sa ating back pattern. And then once you're done marking the measurement, we can now draw a parallel line sa waist natin na bagong waistline. Correction, you don't need to close the dart here. So, sorry guys, I did a mistake here. Again, you do not need to close the dart here. Just leave it open. It's common to see this kind of skirt sa mga sportswear. So, usually sa mga tennis player. Nakikita ko tong ganitong style, the low-waisted skirt. Or kung ikaw yung tipong hubaderang fashionista, naka-crop na yung taas mo, naka-low-waist skirt ka pa. Okay, so after the front, same din sa back, we're gonna trace yung marking na ginawa natin for the facing. Again, just a reminder, do not close the dart. So I made a mistake here. So just leave the dart open. Leave the dart open. So if you're planning to make this kind of skirt, lalo na kung sportswear, kung tennis skirt mo siya gagamitin, I would suggest na mga stretch fabric like knits or jersey, anything that has stretch na fabric. But if you're planning to use this woven fabric, usually ang design nila is may mga pleats. May mga pleat na yung pattern mo. So, para may room for movement kasi ang hirap nito kung ganito na siya pa pencil cut at woven fabric. Medyo mahihirapang kumilos. So that's all for now, guys, and I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. And please like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye!